Y'all, this Mexican chocolate pumpkin seed cake is a freaking game changer. It's delicious, perfect for fall, and keeps me oddly full for hours. So preheat your oven to 350 and grab a springform pan. Pop off the top and pull out some parchment paper. Sketch out the shape of the bottom of the pan. Then you're going to cut out the shape that you just drew and grab some room temperature butter to coat the bottom of the pan. Place the top of the pan back on and butter the insides. Then take that parchment paper you cut out and press down on the inside, make sure it's secure. Use the rest of the butter to coat the top of the parchment paper. Then grab about a half a cup of pumpkin seeds and sprinkle in an even layer on the bottom of the pan. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sugar as well. This is what makes the deliciously crispy crust of the cake. Measure 1 1/4 cups pumpkin seeds and 1 cup of sugar into a food processor and pulse until it resembles damp sand. Add 3 room temperature eggs and 4 ounces of butter. Mixy it up. Then add 1/3 cup flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and mixy again. The recipe says to add 1 tablespoon tequila or vanilla, but I add both because I know how to make things delicious. This is the Mexican chocolate that I used. 1 piece is about the 3 ounces required for the recipe. Chop it up into small pea-sized pieces and then gently incorporate into the batter. Scrape the batter into the prepared pan and bake until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, which is about 35 to 40 minutes. And y'all, I'm a freaking mess. I didn't realize I wasn't recording when I took it out of the pan and removed the parchment paper and then dropped it on the ground. So I cracked the cake, but I tried to sprinkle some powdered sugar on it to hide it. Still gonna eat it. This cake is like if creme brulee, a cake, and pecan pie had a baby. Yes, there's butter and sugar in this, but like 75% of the flour is nutrient, fiber-dense pumpkin seeds. I will link the recipe in the comments. Enjoy!